Bought this one on eBay. It's my sunglasses for mountain bike. The brand is Rock Bros, and it comes with the carrying case. Well, let's open it. There we go. It's a Polarize. You have some wipes here for cleaning, and a pouch. There we go, guys. That's the brand, and it comes with a strap, and that's for the so it won't fall out. Yeah, it comes some shades. You can use it as how many? I think it comes with 4. It comes with a yellow one, blue. It's like a blue, also some dark brown. Let's open this one. There we go. It's Polarize. Rock Bros. Just some rubberize the edges. And I don't know what is this. So that's it. Check this on eBay. I bought it around £14, including shipping. So that's it. Rock Bros for mountain bike sunglasses. Thanks for watching.